In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove footer elements in Shopify. Whether you're looking to simplify the look of your store or just want a fresh start, adjusting the footer of your Shopify site can make a significant difference in terms of design and user experience. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can customize your footer section with confidence. To begin, navigate to your Shopify site editor, which is essentially the control hub for your site's aesthetics and layout. On the left side of your screen, you will notice a panel. This is your navigation panel, which houses all your site's customizable sections. It's important to take note of this panel because it's your main tool for managing the different parts of your website, including your footer. As we continue, make sure you have this panel visible to easily follow along. Next, you need to locate the footer section within this navigation panel. To do this, simply expand the footer section by clicking on it. Once expanded, you'll see a detailed list of blocks and elements that currently reside in your footer. Each of these blocks represents different pieces of content or features that are displayed at the bottom of your Shopify site. At this point, you've identified all the elements in your footer. Now, scroll through this list and decide which element or block you want to remove. Once you've made your decision, click on that specific element or block. It's worth taking your time with this step because removing certain elements can impact how visitors interact with your site. Upon clicking on a block or element, a trash icon will appear. This icon is your tool for deletion. Click on the trash icon to remove the selected element from your footer. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to ensure you're certain about removing an item because this action is irreversible and can affect the look and functionality of your site. And just like that, you're done. With those simple steps, you've managed to remove unwanted elements from your footer, giving your Shopify store a cleaner and more tailored appearance. Customizing your site in this way keeps your brand looking sharp and ensures that all elements on your page are relevant and functional for your visitors. Thank you for joining me today in this tutorial on removing footer elements in Shopify. Remember, taking control over your website's design helps to create a consistent and engaging user experience for your customers. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need to make more adjustments to your footer or any other part of your Shopify site. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy editing!